What's up, guys? Today I have an unboxing from Pop Box. I was gonna pick up the box, but you'll see why in a second. Pop Box is a website that sells Funko Pops that have a monthly subscription. You can get from 1 to 12 pops every month. They got different genre of pops to choose from, like the Harry Potter box, Disney box, and so on. I got the classic box, which is basically, they have a thumbs up and thumbs down system on the site. So the classic box is a mix of everything you thumbs up in the box. So I got the 6 pop classic box, and yeah, I like this box. I've been subbed for, I think, a year now, and I haven't had a problem with it. So I'm gonna keep subscribing to it, definitely after this month. Before I get into the box, if you want to sign up, I have a referral code in the description. You get 10% off. I get something back. So if you want to sign up, click on the link. Also, before we started, I got plenty of pops from my 6 pop subscription yesterday. I didn't know what it was, so I opened it, and it was Gold Chrome Black Widow. I had this thumbs up. I thought it was really cool. Black Widow is one of my favorite Avengers characters. And the gold chrome just looks really nice. The side of the box does not do it justice in real life. It looks really good. So that's one of my pops in the subscription. Now, I'm gonna try to pick it up. This is how big this box is. I haven't got a box like that since December. Back in December, when I got the 2 10-inches, the Dragon Ball, the Shenron, and the Child 10-inch. So this is a really big box. And I couldn't wait to open it. My hair is still wet. Just took a shower. I couldn't wait to unbox this. So we're gonna unbox this. Enough talking. Let's go. Alright. Now one side, there's a bunch of bubble wrap. Let's see. Okay, let's take the bubble wrap off. Alright, so here's a 10-inch, definitely a 10-inch this time, and a couple of smaller pops. So let's just go through the smaller ones first. Here's the window, show you first. Okay, and there we go. It's the last Miles Morales pop that I needed for the set. I was wondering where this was last month, and this is it. Yeah, $7.69. This is the last one. So now I think I'm gonna sell the whole set on eBay. Alright, so we got Black Widow, Miles Morales. I tried not to peek in the box. What is it? Spider-Man classic suit. Which one is this? Don't I have this one? $6.65. I feel like I have this one. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like I have this. I'll check after. Yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys. Here's the front. Here's the side. And here's the whole set on the back. Alright, so far, hopefully that's the last of the Miles Morales. I feel like I have them. Alright. So we got, I saw a 2-pack too. What the hell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I get an extra Black Widow pop? What's this? Ghost Panther, Infinity Blur. This is dope. I don't really like the Infinity Blur set. I have a couple of them that my brother found at Walgreens, but I'm not really a fan of them. But this is awesome. The Ghost Rider mixed with Black Panther. This is a really cool, probably the best one out of the whole set. This is dope. I love this pop. Alright. Let's see. There's still 2 more pops in there. There's a 10-inch and a 6-inch. Battlestar Kong. Okay. Did I have these thumbs up? I know I had one of the Godzilla's thumbs up. I don't know how to feel about this box. I like the Black Widow. I like the Ghost Panther pop movies. Show you guys. Here's your side. Here's your set on the back. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, let's see. Let's get to the 2-pack. Yeah, there's a 10-inch and a 2-pack. Okay. I'm hoping this is the new Batman and Joker, because I really wanted that. I saw they got it in stock. This is what I'm hoping it is. Here's the window. Show you guys first. Alright, what is it? Alright. Light Night Batman and Light Night the Joker. PX exclusive. Like I said, I saw this pop, this 2-pack. I really wanted it. Show you guys the back. This is cool. I like this Joker. Got the suspenders. What else does he have? This Batman suit is really cool. I like this. Alright. Let's get to the 10-inch. What could it be? Let's see. Try not to look at it. Can you guys see it? Oh! 10-inch Kong? Did I have this thumbs up? I had a 10-inch, Godzilla. What the hell? Let me show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. And it's different from the other Kong. This one just doesn't have anything in his hand. No. I don't know. I don't think I had, like 3 of these thumbs up. I gotta check. But, I don't know. I might sell this. I really don't want it, to be honest. It's a cool looking pop, but what am I gonna do with this? I don't know. And I haven't really seen the movie. If it was Godzilla, I would have kept it. Because the Godzilla looks cool. Like a blue fire. But to come? I don't know. But to recap, got the 10-inch cone. Almost dropped it. Got the late night 2-pack. Got the Miles Morales that I think I have already. We got the regular cone. What is it? Battle Scarred cone. We got my favorite out of the box, the Ghost Panther. This Miles Morales that I hope is the last. And I don't know why I got this, the Black Widow. I got no clue. Maybe it was from last month, because last month I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so maybe this is from last month, because I only got 5 last month. But those popping box this month definitely got my values back. I don't know if I like these pops, but the value is there. I made the value back on this 10-inch probably by itself, but the value is there. Like I said, if you want to sign up, referral code in the description. But that's the video, guys. Let me know in the comments if you're subscribed to this, what you got this month, if you have any of these pops. And yeah, let me know. Leave a like if you like the unboxing. Subscribe if you're new. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload. Have a nice day, guys.